Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about another composition element, and this is symmetry. Okay, so I'm going to jump right in. So first of all, what is symmetry? Symmetry is basically a mirror image. So when one side of the image completely is reflected on the other side of the image, it creates a mirror. This can be a really powerful compositional element, but it's not always very easy to achieve, especially with moving subjects. It can be very difficult. You can also have varying degrees of symmetry, so you can play around with this later. But for now, all we really want to do is to try and get a completely symmetrical image. Even in the image above, or in the slides, there's slight little differences, and the problem with these differences is that your eye gets drawn to them. So it can be a distraction. So like I said, for now, we just want to try and get a complete symmetrical image and see if we can use composition purposefully to do that. So what are some of the challenges you might face when you're trying to create a symmetrical image? Okay, so although there's symmetry in this butterfly's wings, it doesn't seem like a very strong image. Why? First of all, the background is clean, but could be a little bit cleaner, so it is a bit distracting. And the other major difference is that the butterfly is not straight, either vertically or horizontally or diagonally, so it is not a mirror image in the true sense. Although there is technically nothing wrong with the image, it can still be stronger. So here's the solution. So when you see that you straighten yourself up completely and completely mirror one side with the other, in other words, you are completely central when you're taking the image, and your camera is straight and your lines are straight, everything works together to make a completely symmetrical image, and it becomes much stronger. So it's important to first of all recognize what will create a good symmetrical image, but also how to take the image that you can show that symmetry. So this is your photo challenge with symmetry. So first of all, go and find something that's symmetrical in your house or garden, and try to photograph them as symmetrically as possible. Take more than one image, check your images after each shot and see if you're achieving the symmetry you think you were. Be aware of keeping your lines straight, place yourself in the middle of your symmetry. See how you can improve symmetry with each image. Can you move things in the frame, or can you change the background? What will make it a stronger symmetrical image? Once you think you have a completely symmetrical image, send me one image for this challenge. So yeah, a lot of you have been sending quite a few images. I would like you to try and focus on each challenge that I'm sending you and send me one image, so you're creating something more quality than just sending me a lot of stuff. I want you to try and start working around that. Also, just FYI, this image plus the moth images and the cat's eyes images were all taken today in my garden, so it is very possible to find these kind of elements in your house or garden or immediate surroundings. You just have to really look. I know it's a bit more challenging when we're all at home, but I would like you to really try and practice this rather than sending me images that you have done in the past. Okay, so have fun with that, and I look forward to seeing all your work. Cheers.